What's up, guys? So done for the day. $291 off of 41 tickets and 60.45 in commissions. So let's see. So at the open for SEAL, what it is, I took a short, 500 shares on the way down. I covered, um, and then what I did was I went short again. Seeing that it looked very weak on level 2, but then it popped on me, went back up to VWAP, so I stopped out, and pretty much gave back my profit, because I think here I took 1,000 shares, thinking it was really short, but as you can see, it actually continued to drop further. So in retrospect, this was a hasty move. I should have watched, see what happens further before going in. I shouldn't have gone into this one. Stopping out is good, but shouldn't have gone in. And the reason why stopping out is good is I think if I show you for ELAN, here actually, if you look at the 1 minute, I started out in the 1 minute over here. I went long thinking that this is gonna pop up. It did not, so I basically stopped out at break even. This is exactly after it popped up, it went back down. It was on its way down, so I stopped out, and then I saw that it was weak, so I went short, and then basically added to my position, and then on the way down I just covered all the way down. The reason why I covered it all is I saw that it was bouncing at this level. So this is where the SMA is. So I just basically got all out of ELON. Later on, I saw that it made new highs, and then it basically retained this level. So on the way up, after it broke through this SMA, I went long, and then I basically exited all my position once it showed that it wasn't going to go up any further. And as you can see, it then dropped again. So on ELAN, I was pretty proud of my the way I played it. It was good. And then MOMO. Again, for MOMO, I went long, thinking that okay, couldn't make new high. Had this big pop up that it was going to reverse. Instead, I got stopped out, so that's where I got my $45 loss from. And then I saw that since it can't make a new high on the 1 minute, you see here I went short. It dropped. I covered, and then on the popped, I exit. I didn't want this to run on me. And again, if I were to let it run on me, it would have gone all the way up here. And then it would have chopped around here for a bit. And then I saw that it was losing this level. It was right at the cusp here. So as it was going down, I basically covered on the way down, as you can see here. $208. This is a pretty big move. It continued to drop further, but it stayed here for quite a bit, like 10 minutes. As you can see, I wasn't patient enough to just wait it out. And I only had 100 shares. In retrospect, I could probably have waited, but I didn't. And here's where levels play an important role, because if you look at this, right, it got stopped at 32.97 for a bit, where it was staying for 5 minutes or so, and 32.97. You scroll all the way back here, it's 32.97. It's kind of, well, right now it's at 32.77, which is this level. So if you look at all these other candlesticks, is basically right here at this level that I got stopped at, and this is the previous day close as well. Also, if you zoom in, 15-minute, 5-minute, 32.93, which is 32.93. 32.97. So it's like right about this level of where it used to be. you remember levels are just averages, so it was at around, you see where this wick is, so that was another level from yesterday. So it really obeys those levels, and of course long term kind of trumps short term. And the reason why I went in kind of heavy here at the 1,000 shares is because I saw that I was making it couldn't, right here, long wicks. I couldn't really move up. There wasn't momentum for it to move up, and then as you can see, the EMA were about to cross on a 5-minute past this SMA. So I went short, knowing that this is going to be a very weak stock, and another EMA is going to cross here as well. So it will probably continue to fall further. Probably try to make this new low until 32.64. But anyway, I'm done for the day. So this is a decent day. Protected my my short side. So I'm very proud of the way I played.